Good morning, saints. I greet you in Jesus' name. When Jesus told the disciples to feed the crowd, they immediately focused on their lack, their limited money, their resources, and their ability. They saw the impossibility, but Jesus saw the opportunity for a miracle. So often we hesitate when God calls us to step out in faith because we focus on what we don't have instead of trusting in Him and what He can do. But Jesus wasn't asking them to solve the problem on their own. He was inviting them to participate in His provision. God still calls us to trust Him in the same way today. When He asks us to act, whether in service, giving, or ministry, it's not about our ability, but His sufficiency. The disciples had only 5 loaves and 2 fish, but when they placed them in Jesus' hands, He multiplied it. He multiplied them beyond their imagination. Whatever God is asking you to do, trust that He will provide the strength, the resources, and the miracles you need. Your job is obedience. His job is everything else. May you be blessed. Shalom.